स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome you all in today's video. So guys, stay tuned with me throughout this video because here we'll talk about one of the best IHM in India, and that is nothing but the IHM Kolkata. So all about IHM, such as the eligibility criteria, the cutoff, the selection process for it, seat availability, and the very important one, that is nothing but the placement. So stay tuned. And very first one, our new YouTube channel launch at Manua Hotel Management, which is very specific to the hotel management entrance exams such as the NCHM City JEE, ECHAT, Maharashtra CET, IHM Aurangabad, and others. So guys, link for this new YouTube channel I already mentioned in the description. Just click on the link, go to channel and subscribe it to get each and every updates with respect to the hotel management. So guys, to get the best coaching for NCHM City JEE and even for all HM entrance preparations, call our board line number 8828581455. So let's come to our main point. The very first one, the eligibility criteria, as we also discussed in our college tour with respect to all IHMs. Okay, so age criteria says your age should not be exceed to 25 years if you are a general category candidate and 28 years for SC/ST category. Now the qualification, so 10 plus 2, that is 12th or equivalent exams, where English should be a mandatory subject. So guys, this is the eligibility criteria to give the NCHM City JEE, and to enter into respective IHM you have to crack NCHM City JEE. So crack NCHM City JEE and enter into IHMs. So those who have not started the preparation for NCHM City, I advise you guys, start your preparation from now onwards and make your career to the next level. So now we'll talk about the institute, the IHM Kolkata. So it was founded way back in 1963, where it was offering the hotel management course, started with only 16 students. Now later on in 1980, it is established at Alipore, Kolkata, which is recent place. Okay guys, now the IHM Kolkata has a very great curriculum, all the facilities it has. It has the hostel facilities, the sports facilities. It also has the training and placement cell which works throughout a year to build the course and the students. So guys, if you are a student of IHM Kolkata, then guys you need not to worry, because this is the one of the most preferred institute with respect to the all IHMs. And now we'll talk about the seat availability and the cutoff. So with respect to the hotel management programs, these all are the programs offered by the IHM Kolkata. The very first one, the BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration. For it, it has 323 seat intake. Now the seat intake might be vary because each year it is updated. Now it also offers the master's degree in Hospitality and Hotel Administrations, various diploma courses, and also the skill development course, the Hunar Se Rozgar. Okay, now we'll talk about the cutoff. So cutoff varies each year. It depends on various parameters, as you're already aware about that: the number of applicants, the difficulty level of the exam, and the seat availability at each IHM. So if we consider the basic, the last year, the 2020 data I listed here. Okay, so very first one, the opening rank for this institute for general category started with All India ranking 34 to 1509. With respect to the OBC, 1754 to 6595, SC 1611 to 7700. With respect to the ST, 2082 to 14,000 plus. So this is of round 1, and round 2 for general 34 to 2138, 2216 to 8999 for OBC, 2427 to 11,012 for SC, and 4260 to 14,000 plus for ST. And this is for round 2. So guys, these all are the cutoff I listed here. Now guys, keep eyes on these figures. If you are comes under the general category, that means your score should in between 200 to 2200. So guys, always aim high. Make your preparation in such a way that you should get the admission in your first round of counseling. Now if we talk about the selection process, then it is all depend upon the counseling process, which we already discussed in our previous video, and we also uploaded a video on the selection process with respect to the IHM, so you can watch that video. Okay guys, now how much marks you should score to get the positions in between these ranks? So you should score around 500 plus marks. That means you have to solve 125 plus correct questions. Okay, then only you can get the 500 plus marks. Okay guys, so add some boosters on your preparations. You can join to the Manvo online programs. Various boosters are there. Just go to the website. Now we'll talk about the career scope. The hotel industry is a very rapidly growing industry. You can make your career immense in this particular sector. Now, after pursuing your graduation from the IHM, you can work as a management trainee in hotel and allied hospitality industries. You can get the positions in kitchen management and housekeeping management. After you work as a trainee in this particular department, okay, you can work in flight kitchens and also on-board flight services, in Indian Navy hospitality services, in hospital and institutional catering services, as a faculty in hotel management and also in food and craft institutes, in shipping and cruise lines. You can work as a marketing and sales executive. You can be part of resort management. You can be as an event manager, or you can run your own business if you have entrepreneurship skills. And you can also work in state tourism and development corporations. So guys, there is a great scope, the great alumni contact with respect to the IHM Kolkata. And if we talk about the packages, these all are the past recruiters who visit each year in the IHM Kolkata. And the highest package was offered the 4.7 lakh per annum. The average was 2.5 to 3.5 lakh per annum. And the lowest was 1.8 plus. So guys, don't worry about all these figures. Okay, you will get in the starting range. Now, if you will have the relevant experience in your particular field, then you will get more than these all numbers. So overall, you will get the 100% placement in IHM Kolkata, and if you consider the fee structure, then it will gives you the best return on your investment. So guys, overall, to enter into IHM Kolkata, what you have to do, you have to crack the NCHM City JEE. So guys, kickstart your preparation from now onwards to open the doors of IHM Kolkata. So these all are the past recruiters, the top-notch companies, the Oberoi, the Lalit, Starwoods, the Barbecue Nation, the Park, Bose, Reliance, Marriott, Green Park Hotels, Jet Airways, Claridge, Hilton, and many more. So guys, add these all boosters in your preparations. The books, study materials, the mock test, very important one with respect to the entrance exams. If you are lacking in any particular section, then you can get the section wise courses there, the full course. And if you want a live interaction, then you can join our live lectures. So call on 8828581455 or visit at manvoedu.com/hotel management. And this link also mentioned in the description. Just click on the link and enroll for the boosters. So guys, if you are preparing for 2021 and even for 2022, you will get the respective programs at manvoedu.com. So guys, this is all from today's video. If you have any doubts and query, you can ask me in the below comment section. And guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel to get regular updates on hotel management. So thank you very much. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.